Hi guys, hope you are all doing well and fine. Yes. So my name is Tokir. So today I'm going to talk about few things like software testing. Okay. Yes guys, you heard it right, software testing. So as we can see the demand in the market right now in the IT industry, software testing is getting boom like anything. So where we are getting so many opportunities. So yes, here today in this video I'm going to guide you a few things about how to crack an interview, how to become a part of an IT with the help of a skill which I'm going to show you today. Okay. Yes, and yes, we used to see like there will be some coding fear in us. Okay, due to some coding fears we used to might like IT, what about coding. Yes guys, so today the skill which I am going to suggest here, yes, there is a surprise that you don't need any kind of coding knowledge. Okay, without having the knowledge of coding, yes, you can start a quick start your journey in the IT sector. Yes, the skill is nothing but your manual testing. Yes guys, you heard it right, manual testing. In this manual testing here guys, I'm going to guide you few topics. Okay, like first we are going to learn what is SDLC. Yes, SDLC stands for your software development lifecycle, where you are going to learn how exactly a company is going to work whenever a customer come up with one requirement. Okay, so here from the requirement till going through all the scenes we are going to till maintenance we are going to learn here. Okay, so yes, from the SDLC we are going to aware of each and every corner of the entire IT sector. That all I can say in a small words. And yes, after that here you are going to learn some skills like in the software testing I have divided two sections, that is white box testing and black box testing here. Okay, in the white box testing here you are going to learn how the code will be tested. Code, okay, developer, whatever developer is going to write the code, that code you are going to test here, and here you are going to test the entire software. Okay, so white box and black box. So if I talk about the white box testing here, I'm going to teach you some few topics like what is path testing, what is conditional, what is loop, what is white box testing from memory point of view, and white box testing from performance point of view. So these are the points which we are going to cover in white box. And when I talk about black box, yes guys, here we are going to learn so many topics. Yes, we are going to start from functionality testing till to regression, till to automation. The entire process I'm going to teach you in the black box. Yes, as you heard, there is a development life cycle, software development life cycle. Yes guys, also we have a life cycle called software test life cycle, which is a part of SDLC. Okay, that also we are going to discuss, as I'm going to guide you to become a successful software test engineer. So yes guys, here we are going to learn one more sub life cycle, that is nothing but my defect life cycle. Yes, as being a software test engineer, we used to find the bugs. So every defect whatever we are going to find, it should be tracked in an organized way. So that is why we are going to learn how to track a defect in an organized way. We are going to cover it in the defect life cycle. With this we are going to learn a test plan and a test cycle. Okay, so these are the topics which we are going to learn, which we are going to explore. Yes guys, so as we have seen, these are the topics which we are going to cover. So yes, if you want to start a quick start, okay, in the IT sector, then why to wait? In the description I'm going to provide you the link from where you are going to get a free demo. Okay, so please attend a free demo where you will get an in-depth idea of how we are going to work, how we are going to teach, how the process is going on. So all the process you are going to get to know from the demo. So in the description you will get a demo. So yes, from this video a small guidance from my side. So we'll continue in the demo session. Okay, so join Uncodemy as soon as possible. See you soon in my next class.
For free career counseling or demo sessions, call or WhatsApp on this number